Hello guys, we are back with yet another tutorial. Today we're going to be making this chain, and you can turn it into a necklace, some earrings, or a bracelet, what we're going to be making today. The materials are super easy. I'm going to be using 4mm rondelle. I'm using this emerald green shade, and we're going to be using some 11 seed beads. For the needle, I'm going to be using this number 11 needle, and the thread is going to be Toho 1G. So prepare your 4mm rondelle and your seed beads. Doesn't matter what color, anything that works, and we're gonna start making this beautiful chain. As I said, you can turn it into a necklace, bracelet, or earrings. The beginning is the same for all of them. I'm going to show you how it's different for the earrings, and together we're going to be making the bracelet. A bracelet and necklace are exactly the same. The only thing that's different is the length. So prepare your rondelle, prepare your seed beads, and let's get started. Okay, so we have our needle and the needle threaded. We're going to pick up 6 seed beads, so 1 2 3 4 5 and 6. We're going to pull this down to our tail, and we're going to make a knot. This is common for all 3 pieces: necklace, bracelet, or earrings. So we're going to secure the knot, and we're going to go with the needle through all of them, just to be sure everything is nice and secured, like so. And I'm going to go one more bead after the tail, like so. Now this is going to be obviously a repeatable part, so pick up 6 seed beads, so 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 rondelle and 1 seed bead. So this is what you're going to be picking up every time. Now pull this down to your work like this. Hold on to this, move the rondelle a bit, hold on to this like this, yeah? And from where your thread is coming from that bead, you go up 6 beads. So you should have 2 4 6, yes? So you should have 1 left over here. We will do this a few times so that you guys understand what's going on. So you have your 6 beads in circle. You pick up 6 seed beads, 1 rondelle, 1 seed bead. You pull this down to your circle, and you pass through the that 1 bead that you're coming out of from that circle, from the 6, yeah? Plus 5 more from the 6 you added. Now you pull this nicely like this, and it will look like this. So you pull a little bit more, so you have a little bit more tension here, like this. Now turn your work a little bit so that you hold it like this. Keep this tail. I'm going to explain to you why. Now again, pick up 6 4 5 6, 1 and 1. Pull it down, leave it down to the part here, like this, yes? Hold on to the seed beads. You can leave the rondelle and that 1 seed bead down. You hold on to this. Now, with the needle, you're gonna make a loop, like you're going all loops. And you're gonna go through this one from the previous loop, yeah? Plus 5 more, so you're going to leave 1 there. So here that you're not making in a loop is 1 seed bead, 1 rondelle, and 1 seed bead, like so. Just a second. See, so these are not in the loop, but all of these are. Again, so I'm going to pull so that there is tension. You will need a little bit of stronger thread, not very soft thread, so not very silkish. Again, pick up 6, 1 2 3 4 5 6, 1 rondelle and 1 seed bead, yeah? Okay, if it's a little bit harder to understand, just go 1 time through this one that you're coming out of, yeah? go 1 time through this one, and then you're going to have to go 5 through this, because this one will come like this, yeah. And now when you turn around, you need to go 5 beads here. So however you feel it is more comfortable for you, going 1 then 5, or pulling them all down and going through 6 at once, however it is comfortable for you, that's how you should do it. So we're going to do one more time. So pick up 6 seed beads, 1 2 3 4 5 6, yeah, 1 rondelle and 1 seed bead. Pull this down nicely. You see this bead that my thread is coming out of, yeah? Go through that bead that my thread is coming out from, plus 5. So you have 6 in total, yeah? So you leave 1 seed bead, 1 rondelle, 1 seed bead. Pull this nicely into a circle like this. And you're going to do this the whole length. We do one more time, and then you're going to do on your own, and I will show you the ending, what's going to be different for the earrings and for the bracelet and for the necklace. Bracelet and necklace is the same. So again, pick up 6, 1 2 3 4 5 and 6, 1 rondelle and 1 seed bead. Pull them nicely down like so, yeah. Go make a circle, go through this seed bead that your thread is exiting from, plus 5 more. So it's 6 in total. Pull the thread nicely and slow so you don't make any knots, like this. Now for the earrings, you see I've made my earrings, this you should go with whatever length you want. For the earrings, what you need to do, from here you will just go through this here. So you go through these, and then you go through these, and then like you're going to go like an S until you reach here like this. So you go, I'm going to make it with you guys like this, and then you go through this 1 bead here. So we're just strengthening all of this to make sure that everything is strengthened, everything is, see? So it's not floppy or anything. And now we go through these 3, like this, yeah? And now we go through this one. So we're just making an S going through this 1 1 1. That's it. And we're going to go like this until we reach this side here. This we make 1 more knot, and we're done with the earrings. Now I'm going to make my way back here, and I'm gonna continue for the bracelet, and I'm gonna show you how to finish it off if you're gonna make a bracelet or a necklace. Okay, so now you've made your length, either it's necklace or bracelet. When you finished the length, we need to make the ending like this to attach a clasp. So pick up 5 seed beads, so 3 4 and 5, and you're coming out of this bead over here, and you're just gonna go like this, so circling it around. And we're going to go one more time just to enforce it, or 2 times even. So this is to enforce, and this is where you're going to put the clasp in this circle here. And now what you can do in order to, again, like, I cannot stress this enough, what I really like to do is enforce the bracelet, earrings, anything. So again, on this one as well, like on the earrings, I'm just going to go like this. So I'm going to go S like a serpent, like this, see, through these beads. So I'm going through these seed bead, rondelle seed bead, and then through this center bead over here, and again through these, just to make it harder, and at the same time it will not twist. So if you do this, if your thread is a little bit sturdier, you know, not so, a very soft thread, if you do this, you know, the bracelet, the necklace, everything becomes a little bit more sturdy. And here you're just going to attach your clasp. Obviously you're going to need the clasp, and for earrings as well, whatever you're going to be using, any clasp works. So you have your bracelet, the necklace, and the earrings. And look how fast you made a full set. How awesome is this? Like, you can use any colors you want, any combination. You can use, instead of rondelle, you can put bicones, you can put fire polish, you can use round pearls, like anything you want, and it will become a very, very pretty set. So it looks very nice. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the tutorial. Please comment, like, subscribe, all that good stuff, and yeah, have fun beading. Bye bye.